Garage door stuck. Right, after all that, I'm off for a little bike ride this afternoon. Haven't done any vlogging today, guys, so I'm making up for it now. Off for a bike ride, and then we're coming back. I've got some stuff to organise for the desk to make it look a bit more pretty. Is that light? Yeah, and yeah, that's today. Desk 2.0, but first, exercise. Must do exercise. I'm going to leave you there. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back. Lots of traffic, sorry. Halfway point. 7 miles in, gonna ride 7 miles back now. There's a little foal there, look, a little baby horse, see him? Right there. Alright, let's get back. I really miss cycling. I've got to start doing this more often. Whew. I'm missing the open road. You still with me? I'm back and I'm sweaty. Shower. Anybody else sweat constantly after exercise? Or is it just me and my big head? Right, we are back from the bike ride, showered. I've gone for the cap because, man, I am sweating. Right, I'm going to try and attempt to sort all this lot out. I've got some stuff set up, so let's get that done now and see what we can sort out.
Don't you know, it is getting hard,
Right guys, I think I'm going to call it a day for this video. I'll do a little bit of B-roll section now so you can see what I've done. It's taken me a couple of hours to like sort out lights and positioning and stuff, and it's a little bit of a nightmare to set up. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this my permanent residence for YouTube videos. I've still got a bit of work to do with the lighting and whatever. It's still not bright enough. I've got to tidy things up a little bit still. But yeah, quite happy. I like this little stand I've got. These things on the mat fold down and you flick it up. You can put your phone on there. So yeah, a little bit of work to do, but yeah, I've got some LED lights. I've got the little cool cactus there in the background, LED lights at the back, my two Lasay hard drives there, a CD player if I need it to burn some CDs. I'm planning to download all my music, so I've got everything on there. A little USB multi-socket there. I've got my microphone ready, microphone here, new mouse, LED is there with the remote. Just editing the video and just realised that I forgot to end it. So yeah, that's this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and I'll see you tomorrow. I've recorded tomorrow already as I'm editing this, so I'm going to edit that tomorrow, but that'll be the day after and you'll see. Whatever. See you later guys. Bye bye.